Welcome to another segment with Dave and myself, and today we're going to show you how to make a electrolyte drink. You go to the store and you're buying those Gatorades and all those other things, and you're thinking you're getting something good because it's got high levels of potassium, high levels of salt, which is good. Trouble with those products is they've got a lot of dyes, artificial coloring agents. We don't want that. I don't want my liver getting all beat up because I'm using something that is going to affect my liver or my thymus or whatever. So let's make our own. What are we going to use? We are going to use something called glycerin or glycerol. Okay? Make sure it is a coconut or palm. They do make this crap out of soy. I did contact one company in the Midwest, and they said theirs was a mixture of soy, palm, and coconut. Don't buy it. Leave it alone. Contact these companies, ask them what they're selling, what's in the products, okay, and ask if they can get you a product with specific coconut or palm, okay, and you can find them. They're all over the place. Okay, this is that TSP controversy mix, but this one's got a couple more things in it. This one's got magnesium citrate, and it's got potassium chloride, it's got the sodium, and it's got the phosphate in it. So this is a perfect electrolyte drink. This is alkalized at 12. Someone actually measured this stuff out and found that it actually alkalized it on 12. So this will actually boost your alkalinity level.
Like from the audience?
Yeah, chemists actually.
Huh.
So a chemist I knew that actually used this stuff because he had pain from being radiated for cancer. So anyway, when you make this stuff, now you can do this other ways. There's other products out there. There's a tri-salt product. I like this company. I like the product. It's clean. It's a simple product. All that's in here is potassium, magnesium, and calcium, and all you need to add to this is salt, sea salt. If you don't want to do that, make your own solution. Pour it in, about a cup. Add a tablespoon of glycerin. People say, what is glycerin? It's a sugar. This is the actual sugar your body uses. This is what it normally utilizes, but again, because we're using so much fructose, glucose, and sucrose, our body stops using this stuff and starts using the other stuff. So, what you do then is you blend it. Just made yourself an electrolyte drink. Now, you want to add creatine to this, knock yourself out. You want to add a protein to it, knock yourself out. It's another way of adding something to something to make it even better. There's no restrictions here. Now, the thing is it safe? Oh, is it safe? This stuff is so safe, it's safe. I've said this before. All right, there you go. Now, what does glycerin do? It helps you hold your water. Say, if you're out on a hot day, and you're out in the fields, you're out in a factory and it's 95 degrees or 33 Celsius. See, I got to be both of them, being metric and standard here. Okay, and you're out in the field and you're sweating your butt off. You take something like this, and this will help alleviate the loss of the electrolytes, okay, because it holds the cells in the water. A lot of bodybuilders will use this prior to a competition. They'll take it like in the wee hours of the morning, so that when they're out on the stage and they're doing their muscle flexing, and all that stuff, their veins and their muscles look very full, okay, and that's what it does, because protein holds water. This is why I say you can add creatine to this. Here's some breakdown of it. Okay, it increases the blood volume, enhances temperature regulation so it can keep you cool. It reduces dehydration so you don't need as much water. It can improve exercise performance in the heat because, again, you maintain your level of hydration. So again, this is something very simple to make. Okay. Now again, you don't have to do it this way. You can go buy your electrolytes. You can buy a multi-mineral electrolyte complex, pour it in there, add your water, add your glycerin, and away you go. Something that simple. All right, and again, it is an alkalizing drink as well. Like I said, it's up to, on the level of 12 when they measured it. So there you go, and it helps fight cancer. Really good for that. All right, to your next segment. To your health.